Hey everyone, happy holidays! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami Christmas tree. And this is a variation of... where is it? Ah, there it is. It's a variation of this easy Christmas tree that I just taught in this video. But this one is the not so easy version of it. But yeah, it's similar, it just has more folds and it's more advanced. And I'm going to teach you all how to fold it. Alright, here we go. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6" square origami, but you can use the sheet of printer paper cut square if you want. Alright, so let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. Okay, unfold, and now rotate it so the crease is vertical, and fold these two sides to the center. Okay, now rotate and fold this up right over the edge. Okay, now we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate like this and we're gonna fold this up. How much? Well, this is gonna be the trunk of the tree, so I'm gonna fold it up and I'm estimating thirds. So I'm folding it so this is equal to that. It doesn't need to be perfect, just eyeball it. And just to make sure you're doing it perfectly, just make sure the crease aligns with itself. And make that fold sharp. Okay. Now we're gonna do is we're gonna take this raw edge and fold it up to this edge. Okay, now unfold, and now comes the tricky step. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just take this and we're gonna push it in right on the crease, just like this. See? So that's what it looks like, and then flatten here. There. That was a tricky step. I hope you guys were able to do that. But if not, you got another try here. So here we go. I'll go a little bit slower. Take the raw edge, fold it up to here. Unfold, and now the tricky step. I'll zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. So we're gonna push this in on the existing crease, just like this. So we're just making that fold like that. See? And then the paper should stick up right there, and then just squash it. And that new fold we're making right there should align with that little crease right there that you see. Alright, and now we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this over like this. And same here too. Okay, unfold. And now it's inside reverse fold them, so just open here and reverse fold on the existing crease. Like that. And same here too. Okay, now we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this over like this. And same here. Okay, and now we're gonna do is we're going to let's use my pen here. So we're gonna fold this edge in, and we're folding it right on that point, and we want this raw edge to be parallel with the middle crease. And repeat on this side too. So fold it on the corner, and we're folding it so the raw edge is parallel with the middle. Or you could just do it to taste if you want. Yeah, it's not completely symmetrical on both sides, but that's okay. That's the trunk of the tree. Alright, now let's just kind of just fold this little raw corner in. However much you want, it's fine. Alright, and there's the trunk of the tree completed. Okay, and now let's work on the rest of the tree. So, let's turn over, and we're going to fold this corner to the top edge of the trunk. We're dividing this into 8. Unfold and now fold to the crease you just made. Unfold it, and now we're going to fold it up so this crease aligns with this top edge. Alright, unfold. And the segments are not going to be equal for some reason. It's just how we're dividing it. So, what we're going to do is we're going to divide it to 8 now. So we're going to fold this corner to the nearest crease. Unfold and now fold it up so this crease aligns with this line. Okay, and then now fold this up so this crease aligns with that crease. Alright. There you go, that's what it looks like. Alright, and now we're going to make these into pleats. So, turn over on this side, and we're going to take this crease and lift it up, and just make a small pleat. Just like this. And try and keep it even all the way across. Alright, now, same thing, lift up the next crease, and just make a small pleat. To taste. And the next one. Alright. And now this is optional, but I'm gonna just kind of, I'm gonna turn over and just kind of close this off a little bit. So I'm just gonna make a fold from the trunk, and this is just a tiny fold, a narrow fold. That's what it is, like this. So it's one folded edge instead of a raw edge and a folded edge. Same on this side too. There you go, makes it a little bit better looking. And if you want, you can make the center crease like this. So it'll hopefully keep these edges down. And once you did that, your origami Christmas tree is all done. So yeah, I think this is a lovely model. And tomorrow on Christmas Day, I'm going to be teaching another model, and it's going to be a surprise. So stay tuned. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to make this tree. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, have a Merry Christmas.